we dey learn how for record when you sell using the Bilt app. So you dey click on the sales button. From there, we dey learn how for record like when you sell then the customer pay you. So for this example, we dey sell an apple of 100 pieces. Then the money you see for all the 100 pieces na 500 yuan. So the entire 500 yuan are the amount. Then this customer we can buy it or we pay cash. So select cash. Then next the date. At today the transaction happening. Today is now August 29, 2023. So you confirm am. Next you get for describe which you sell. So we sell 100 pieces apple. Then we can say. So these are the steps them for record the transaction we sell, then the person